So we've got some deluxe brownie cookies here that I chopped up and I'm putting in my baking dish. You're gonna wanna grab 4 tablespoons of melted butter and dump that right in with all of those really tasty cookie crumbles. You better believe it. Mix that all together until that butter is coated in with those cookies, you guys. So once you have those all coated, watch what you're gonna do. Now, when that butter mixes in with those chocolate cookies, they almost get like this fudge-like consistency. So you can go ahead, take your clean hands and just move that all around the bottom so you already have a nice layer. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but see if you can fully cover the whole surface. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring back the measuring cup that I use, make sure the bottom of it clean, and then you can just push it down like this. All of those chewy brownie pieces of cookie along with that butter, like I said, are gonna almost make a fudge-like layer right here on the bottom. You guys, you don't even need to bake this and it is so delicious. My gosh, we are on the way to heaven. So right now I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and let it cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes and stick around, we are in for a treat today. So as your chocolate crust is cooling down in the refrigerator, you're gonna take 1/2 cup of your favorite peanut butter, which of course we would love for you to share in the comments, and you are going to add it to an entire tub of this no-bake cheesecake. Once you have about 1/2 cup, bam, just like that, you're gonna wanna bring in your bowl and we're gonna start to mix this all together. This peanut butter with this cheesecake, you guys. And do you know where we're going with this? Because we have that chocolate crust chilling in the fridge. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Some peanut butter chocolate goodness. We have all of that peanut butter folded in just like we wanted to. And now let's bring in that fabulous chocolate crust. This is working out exactly like I could plan, like really, really delicious and good. So I'm gonna plop like 2 big plops here. Look at me, I'm making, you know what, when it comes to using both hands and holding a bowl at the same time, how do you guys do it? Because I always feel like I need one more arm. So if somebody could just let me borrow one more arm, oh my gosh, wouldn't life be so much easier? Okay, let's get all of that cheesecake off, nice. Now just take a minute and just really nice and carefully spread that all over top of that fudgy, chocolatey crust. Wow, deluxe edition here, you guys. No shame in the game. We are doing it right today, that is for sure. And who doesn't love some really good no-bake desserts for summer? Because I for sure do. And not only this, guarantee you bring this somewhere, nobody's gonna have had this before because I've never seen somebody else make a crust with cookies, or have you? I don't know, I thought I was the first one, but maybe not. Okay, so we have that spread out pretty even there. It doesn't have to be super perfect, and I think you'll get some peanut butter cheesecake goodness in every bite. And I'm gonna have some now. You guys, peanut butter cheesecake, easiest thing right here, and most delicious. Can't go wrong, I promise. We are just gonna keep those layers coming with some extra creamy Cool Whip. Oh yeah. I mean, honestly, you guys, this is like all summertime screaming all over. So we're just gonna plop all of this Cool Whip right on top and give it a spread all over so we can smooth that all out and just have a really good creamy layer right there on top. Make sure we get all of that good stuff out. Wow. A little bit of creamy Cool Whip, some peanut butter cheesecake, a fudgy chocolate crust. We are in business today, folks. Let's give that one last really good spread right over the top. Now, of course, the toppings are gonna be some of the best part. So we have some mini Reese's here. If you wanna just get the regular ones and chop it up, you totally could, but I love how these are already unwrapped. You like literally don't even have to do anything except put them on top. And I'm just gonna use this whole bag because why not? I wanna cover all the edges. This peanut butter chocolate divine. I don't know, what are we calling this one? Because this is like this really got a lot going on here. And I'm not even mad about it because I'm gonna even go a little bit further. I'm pairing it up with some Reese's Pieces. That's right. Now, I love too how this will bring a little bit of color right onto it, which makes it look fancy and nice, you know? And maybe that just gives you a reason to use the Reese's Pieces. But I love the texture too. That's gonna be combined with the crunchiness and the creaminess. And I said it was a dessert. I didn't say it was healthy. So just don't eat the whole pan. Then we'll come in with some chocolate syrup. because we already made it this far, why not just like really keep going, right? So I have Ghirardelli chocolate that I'm gonna put right over top. If you like it, good. If not, that's okay too. But we are definitely gonna be adding it on today. And you know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a little bit more of that peanut butter and I'm gonna see if I can really nice and slowly just kind of drip over. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Some of that peanut butter. And it's just like, you know for sure, if you're gonna eat this pie, there's definitely peanut butter chocolate goodness in that 100%. And those layers, look at that. We've got all of that fudgy, then we've got the cheesecake, then we got the whipped topping, and now we just deluxeified it with those toppings on it. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge just so it can all set up and stick around because I think you are gonna love this easy, no bake dessert, especially for summertime. It is perfect. This looks absolutely divine. It is like really a masterpiece. Everything that I love, chocolate cookies, chocolate cheesecake, the candies. I mean, honestly, this is like all the stuff I love. So we are just gonna give ourselves a nice big piece here. All right, I'm gonna do the best I can and I wanna get all of that fudgy chocolate crust. Oh yeah. Look at that. That crust just slipped right out of there. Check it out, look at that. That looks great. Look at all of that chocolate fudgy crust. And the cheesecake. All right, let's put this right on here. Oh yeah, fudgy cookie crust. This is dangerous right here, you guys. I don't know, beware if you eat this, because look at how good that crust stayed together. We didn't even have to bake it or anything. We just pushed it together with the butter. Look at that. That stayed so well. Oh. Yum, David, wait till you try this. Off the chain. You guys, if anybody's birthday is coming up, don't do a regular cake. Do a cake like this. If you're making a dessert, this is what you need to make right here. This is phenomenal. And I bet you, if you made a lot, you could probably even put some and store it in the freezer. It would work out fantastic like that. But I don't know if it would last that long because, man, this is good. Let me know what you guys think about this recipe. Share it with a friend, and we'll see you later. Enjoy.